And the Onaman Collective is a group that Christy, I guess, and Isaac, what's the last name again?
Murdoch. And Aaron Consmo.
Oh, okay. And Aaron Consmo, they founded it to learn about sacred paint, I guess. And I had the pleasure of going to see Christy a few months ago, and I just realized how important this work is to learn about our sacred paint, and not to just, sometimes when we go to powwows, you see people with their faces painted, but I know that a lot of the stories are there's reasons for that paint, the way that, who gets to wear it, when, how it's collected, and all of the stuff that goes with that. So we're gonna auction this off. And Guy is gonna auction it off because he's really good at those things. And Christy's gonna finish beading it, and it'll be ready to go. So you can frame it, you can make it into something like a purse or whatever, but it's yours.
Who's beading it?
Christy.
Yeah. How fast can you bead?
It's almost done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think you should pass it around.
No, she's got to finish it. She's almost done.
I agree.
So who wants to start the bidding?
You guys gotta have to have a minimum bid.
$50.
$50? Where am I going to get $75? How about $100? $50 from Janet. Come on, the beads are worth $50. Oh, yeah, 75. $75.
$100.
$100. 125. We're getting there. We're about halfway there. Anybody else? It'll be finished in the next 15 minutes by a very famous beater.
150.
Oh, 150? Wow, you're going fast. 175.
Go smaller figures, you guys. We can't afford to do that. I
Is that $1.75?
$100. Send guy back to school, son.
It's gorgeous.
We can't. Anybody want to take over $100? 225. 225. Did you have your hand up or you just eating? Everybody better keep their hands down. I'm going around the room here. 225. Neil, 225. Going once. 225. 250. Is that you? 250? No, just kidding. $250. That's $250,000. Is this the only thing we're auctioning off?
Yeah.
Good.
No, I'll throw in some.
I got a meter that runs out in 10 minutes.
I'll throw in 3 packages of Walking with Our Sisters tea, and that's worth $60.
3 packages of Walking with Our Sisters keys, and we're at 250. You're gonna throw that in anyway?
Yeah.
Okay, so 250. Anybody else?
And each package of tea is $20.
Yeah.
Oh, you meant tea, like not t-shirts.
No tea.
Oh, tea. Okay, sorry. $250. Going once.
$275.
Okay, now at $275. Anybody else? We got another $25 in the room here. 275.
300.
300. Ooh, I think we're gonna go a little higher yet. I smell 3.25 right here. You guys are talking. You kind of clash, but 300.
So I've got a telephone bid from Stockholm.
Yeah. Anybody else? $300. Going once.
See here, that quality of the stitching.
It's going twice at $300.
$325.
Yeah. So Miigwetch and Christy worked on that.
There you go.
I didn't hope that's
In the country, you worked on that.
I'm actually representing someone.
$325.
Proxy.
The money is being used to bring back traditional face painting, and a whole lot of elders have been teaching them how to do it.
There you go.
And lots of other people are learning.
$325. It'll be custom framed.
Who's going to do that?
Who said that? You? Okay. $350. Are we going to frame it?
was gonna let someone take it home today.
Okay. Well, then we can't. Then we can't frame it. We have to take it. You're still okay with 350?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 350. 350. This is it. We got so far. 350.
Who's getting 350?
It's Shane, right? Shane. 350. Going once.
375.
Oh my God. 375. There we go. It's got to be an even number because I don't like odd numbers. 3, 7, and 5 are odd. $400. So I hear $400 and we're 375. You're looking pretty relaxed for a bit of 375.
I have my financial backer.
From Sweden. Yeah. 375. Going once. Going twice. You got your hand up over there. Careful, it costs you $400. Sold. $375.
Oh no,
What's that? Oh, I did. I saw that guy's hand up behind you. $400. We're going to take it back. We're not sold yet. Sorry. You got any more money over there?
I said 375.
She said 400. She will not be. She will not be defeated. $400.
Beat it by 2 artists.
Three.
See, Jamie, 3.
And it's like 400 Canadian, so that's about 600 US. 400